No, I will never claim to be an expert in nothing. But this diff tried whipping my butt. This is from the front diff of the '03 Durango. And come to find out, these axles are set up like a CV axle with these push pins. So basically, you just pop them in and out like you normally would a CV axle. I've been sitting here struggling for about 20, 30 minutes before I figured this out. But hey, another day, another thing learned. I don't work on front diffs for Dodges. Well, actually, it's the first Dodge I've ever done. Fords are different, Chevys are different, so on. But we got her. She's all back together now. Except for little side bolts here. Didn't know preload. But yep, that's where we're at, folks, on this front diff. Have a great day.